In this video, I'm gonna show you how to combine your playlist on Spotify. So let's get started. Note that to combine playlist, you have to use desktop app. There is no quick way to combine playlist in mobile Spotify app. On mobile app, you have to add each song manually. First open Spotify app on your Mac or PC. Now open the playlist or album where you would like to select songs. If you are on PC, then use the shortcut Ctrl A or Command A if you are on Mac and select all the songs. You can also hold down just the Ctrl or Command keys and click to select the individual songs. Once you select all the songs that you want to add, just press Ctrl C or Command C to copy the selected songs. Now open the playlist you would like to add these songs to. Press Ctrl V or Command V to paste your songs. This will immediately add the selected songs to the new playlist. So that is how you can combine playlists on Spotify. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.